Everybody, I'm back with another tutorial and I'm going to show you in this one how to sign up for a library time on the library calendar. Just because I know there have been some people who've had a little bit of trouble with it, and I want to make sure that we're all on the same page so that everybody can see who is signed up for what time, so we don't have any conflicting times on there. So I hope this helps. If you get to the end of it and you still have some questions or you want to know a little bit more, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna come up here to the waffle, you're gonna click it. Then you're gonna come to your calendar and you're gonna click it. You guys know how to do that? Easy peasy cheesy. Let's come over here. We're gonna come to the last week in September, just because I don't seem to have a whole heck of a lot going on that day. And so I kind of wanna give you an idea of what you can do. So you're gonna come to the calendar. Mine has different colors and it has a bunch of different things going on. Yours may or may not have this many things on there. If you come over here to the left-hand side, it tells you what calendars I'm looking at. So you can see that I have my personal calendar. I know it's my personal one because it has the name. This is the big one that we're going to talk about today, the 125 library schedule 2020/2021. I also have on here the draft, and then I have the Boone Master, and I have a couple of other things. If you want to take something off, all you have to do is click it and it will remove it. If I want it back on, like I really want to see what's on the Boone Master schedule, I'm just going to click it again and it is ready to go. So let's say that I want to sign up for a library time right here starting at 10 a.m. on Monday the 28th. So I'm just going to click it. I'm going to add a title. I'm going to put test. And then I'm going to come over here. I don't want it to be an entire hour. I only want it to be 30 minutes. So I'm going to change that time to a 30-minute time slot. I'm going to come down here on this calendar. See how it has the little calendar icon right here? Well, this means that it's on my personal calendar. I don't want that. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to find the one that says 125 library schedule 2020 through 2021. Now, mine is blue. Yours will probably be a different color. That's okay. The color is not what matters. What matters is that you have this 125 library schedule. Now, the next thing that I'm asking for you guys to do is make sure that you are adding a Zoom link. So how can you do that? There's a couple of ways to do it. One of the things that I can do super fast is I'm going to put add description. And then I would just copy and paste my link in there. So let me show you exactly what that looks like. So, okay. So all I'm doing is I got the link from Zoom, which is the same link that I'm using for my kiddos to come into. I copied it. Now I'm going to come over here to this add description. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste it in there. And now this Zoom link, when I click on it, or if admin wants to sit in our class time and they want to see it, they can click on it too, and they will be able to go to that. It will not change or alter the link in any way whatsoever. So even though this is a smaller time slot, some of you are using the same link again and again and again throughout the day, that's fine. I'm not altering that at all. The only thing this is doing is giving me access to that link, or actually giving anybody on here access to that link. Up here, make sure that you have what the lesson is and then your name as well. So I know, and I can be prepped for what we're doing and who I'm meeting with. Because if I'm prepping for second grade and it's really a fifth grade class, those are going to be two completely different lessons. And I want to make sure that I'm adequately prepared for you guys. Then the next thing, all you got to do is click save. You're not inviting anybody. You are not asking anyone to show up. All you're doing is putting it on the library calendar. And so if I click this now, you can see my Zoom link is here. It tells me what amount of time I'm going to be meeting for. I have the name of the lesson, and then I also have who I am so that I myself can be personally prepared. That's all that there is to it. If you make a mistake and you want to delete it, all you got to do is push the trash can. So I just clicked on the event and then I clicked trash can and it's gone. You're good to go. Hopefully that was helpful. If you still have an issue signing up for a library time, just let me know. I will be sending out newsletters like I did in the years past, telling you what to sign up for. So these first 3 weeks of school are going to be for orientation. I know that a lot of you had a lot of trouble getting in that first week because distance learning has been kind of crazy and there's been a bit of a learning curve for everyone, and that's okay. So you still have this current week and next week to go ahead and get your orientations in. I hope that was helpful. If you guys need anything, let me know.